Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. In this video, we are going to solve a LRTI set based on tournament. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for today's video. See, the question says that four teams A, B, C, D played in a football tournament in which each team played against each of the other three teams exactly twice. Okay, so in any match, the winner was awarded 3 points, the loser no points, and in case of a tie, the two teams were awarded 1 point each. Further, it is also known that for any two teams, the result of the first match that they played against each other was not the same as that of the second match. The following table provides the points that each team scored at end of the tournament. Okay. See, this is the most important line here because it says, see, the result of the first match that they played against each other was not same as that of the second match. Okay. So what does this make clear? This says that let's say A and B played a game. Now A won the game. So in the second match when they play against each other, either B will win or it will be a draw. Okay. Now what does this imply? This implies that let's say now let's talk about all the three teams. Now A played against all of them, so let's say A won all the matches, the first three matches which he played against every other team. That is the first match with each of the teams. He won them. Okay, so he wins three games. Now the second round when he will play, he cannot win any of the game. So this says that the maximum number of wins can for any team can be maximum win for any team can be 3. Similarly, we can also say that maximum number of loss for any team is 3 and the maximum number of ties is also 3. Okay. Now, after we are done with that, we need to find out which team has won how many matches, lost how many matches and tied how many matches. So for that, let's make a table and let's do some hit and try. So for A, B, C and D, we have won, loss and tie. Now we can see that A has 11 points. Okay, so he cannot win 4 matches, that's for sure. So let's say he wins 2 matches. So if he wins 2 matches, so his points will be 6. Okay, now after that he needs 5 more points, and how many matches are left? Only 4 matches are left, so it is not a possible case. So he has to win 3 matches. Okay, so he win 3 matches. Now he needs 2 more points. Those 2 points he can get from 2 ties. Okay, so he will lose 1 match. Coming to B, now I'll write it fast and faster. So B has 5 points. We can say that he won 1 match. Okay, he lost 3 matches and he drew 2 matches. Okay, because 1 into 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, coming to C, C has 10 points. So 10 points can be obtained by 3 wins, 2 loss and 1 tie. Coming to D, D has 6 points. So 6 points can be obtained by 1 win, 3 ties and 2 losses. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now we'll start filling a table. So first we can cancel out A and A, B and B, C and C, D and D. Now, the team which has won the match, I will write the letter of that team in the box, and for a draw match, I will write a dash. Okay, I will put a dash. So let's see what we can deduce. So we can see here clearly that A has won 3 matches, and we are very much sure that 3 wins can only come against 3 different teams. So that clearly means that A won against all of them at least one match. So A and A. Let's put it here also. Okay, now it says that C also wins 3 matches. So C will also win against all of them. So C will win against A. Okay, so C will win against B also. C will win against D also. Okay, let's see what do we have now. C will win against A. Now we know that A has lost one match which he lost against C. So the other two matches would be tied, that is A versus B and A versus D. The second match with them would be a tie, that is a draw. Okay, so we are done with this. We are done with A. Now let's see what we can do. Okay, so B has lost 3 matches. Okay, so B must have lost one match against each of A, C, and D. Okay, so he has lost against all of them. So A he has lost, C he has lost, and D also we can write. And D versus B also we can write D. Okay, now after that, see, since B's lost is against D and D has won only one match and that has come against B, so it would have drawn one match against each of A, B, and C. So D has drawn a match against A, he has drawn a match against B, and he drew a match against C. Okay, so all of them are gone. Now between okay, here also C has won. Okay, so now we have a table looking like this. Now what we can say is, acha, how many people have we filled? We have filled all the columns for D. We have got the one match which he won, okay, the two matches which he lost, and the three matches which he played as a draw. So D is gone. Now let's talk about C. Have we what is left with C? B's portion is left with C. Okay. Now let's come to B. So talking about B, what we can say is, see, B has lost three matches, which we know which matches did he lose, and he has to tie two games, okay, and he has a tie against A also, and he has a tie against D. So his okay, so he has a tie against two teams, so his win will come against C. Okay, so we have his win against C, so we can fill it here also, that one game is won by C but the other game is won by B. Now I hope it's clear. You can cross check it also. There are three wins for A, so one win, two win, and three win, and there are two ties, that is one tie and two tie, and there is one loss. Okay, so for A we are sure, we know everything. Talking about B, he has one win, okay, he has three losses, that is one, two, and three losses, and he has two ties, so one tie and two tie. Okay, now coming about C, C has three wins, that is one win, two win, and three win. Okay, and he has two losses, so one loss, second loss, and he has one tie, so here it is. Now coming about talking about D, D has won one game. He drew three matches, that is 1, 2, and 3, and he has also lost two matches, so 1 and 2. So with this, our set is clear. Now you can answer the questions accordingly, whatever has been asked. I hope it's clear to you. Thanks for watching the video, guys.